If you're craving a perfectly done Mediterranean shrimp dish, well, I got two vibrant one-pan skillets ready before you know it. Let's gather ingredients and make sure you stay tuned until the end. I'll be sharing some quick tips to guarantee perfectly cooked shrimp every single time. Let's get it started. This dish serves two, and the calorie count per serving, it depends on the size of the shrimp that you go with. So it's going to be between 300 to 420 calories per serving. Why you should make this dish? Well, it's quick, tasty, and a feel-good Mediterranean comfort dish made easy in one pan in under 30 minutes, perfect for busy nights or light lunches, and easy cleanup after you're done. Now let's shift gears from Mediterranean comfort to a keto light with a bold, zesty shrimp saganaki that keeps things fresh, fast, and low carb. Let's dive in. Our keto shrimp saganaki skillet serves two, and the calorie count comes to be about 200 to 320 calories per serving, again, depending on the size of the shrimp that you go with. Why you should make this dish? Well, it's low carb, big flavor, no bread needed, one pan, fast cleanup, and it's a Mediterranean inspired with feta and herbs and juicy shrimp. Also perfect for a light lunch or dinner any night. Shrimp cook fast, just 1 to 3 minutes depending on the size and cooking method. You'll know they're done when they turn pink or orange and curl into a loose C shape with a tender texture. And that's what you want. Remember the letters U, C, and O. U, undercooked or raw. The shrimp is gray, translucent, and white shape. C is cooked just right, pink or orange and tender, and that's what you want. O is overcooked, tight curl, and rubbery, and that's what you don't want. Watch the shapes and color for perfect shrimp every time. Here's a quick visual example. Hope you liked these two easy Mediterranean shrimp skillets. One light and keto friendly, the other warm and comforting. Please check the description below for food recipes and some of my favorite keto products that I use. I also invite you to check out my other videos, and if you're into easy one-pan meals, subscribe for weekly recipe and let me know which one of these dishes you're making tonight. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and as always, take care.